Giant industrial springs begin as massive steel bars.
The steel rods are moved to the forging preparation area.
Conveyor rollers move the steel toward the heating furnace.
The steel is cut to the correct length before heating. The forging process requires extremely high temperatures.
The steel rod will now enter the heating furnace.
The metal must reach forging temperature.
The steel becomes soft enough to shape.
The heated steel is ready for the forging process.
The steel is heated until it glows bright orange.
The hot steel must be shaped quickly before it cools. Hydraulic presses apply enormous force to shape the metal.
Repeated press strokes gradually shape the steel. Forging presses reshape the hot steel bar. The metal is rotated so every side can be forged evenly. Each press stroke refines the steel bar. Forging ensures the steel has the correct diameter. Forged steel rods must be straightened before further processing.
Multiple rollers gradually remove any bends in the steel.
Accurate straightening ensures the spring will form correctly.
Each rod must be cut to the correct length before bending.
The steel must be reheated before bending into a spring. The hot steel is transferred immediately to the coil forming machine. The heated steel begins forming the shape of a large coil spring. Each rotation creates another loop of the giant spring. After bending the steel into a spiral, and the spacing of the coils must be adjusted. Hydraulic presses adjust the final shape of the spring.
Each section of the spring is carefully adjusted.
The coil spacing must be uniform across the entire spring.
Heat treatment strengthens the steel structure of the spring.
The steel must reach precise temperatures during heat treatment. Rapid cooling locks the steel structure into its hardened state. Quenching transforms the heated steel into a strong spring.
After heat treatment, the steel surface must be cleaned.
High-speed steel particles clean the metal surface.
The blasting process leaves the steel surface clean. The clean spring moves to the final finishing stage.
The ends of the spring must be ground flat. Grinding ensures the spring sits evenly under load. Both ends of the spring must be perfectly level.
The spring is now prepared for final testing.
Every industrial spring must pass strict load testing.
The machine applies controlled force to test the spring strength.
A properly manufactured spring returns to its original shape.
The tested spring is now ready for final finishing and packaging.
Industrial springs must be protected from corrosion. Protective oil prevents rust on the steel surface. The protective coating prepares the spring for storage and shipment. After coating, the spring moves to packaging. Finished springs must be secured for safe transportation. Steel bands secure the spring to the pallet. Finished springs are stacked and stored before delivery.
Heavy forklifts move the packaged springs to the shipping dock. Finished springs are transported to industrial customers. Heavy chains secure the spring during transport. Industrial springs are used in heavy machinery around the world. The finished spring is ready to power heavy machines.